AmzScout Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to our review of AmzScout Dropshipping. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. AmzScout is a comprehensive tool designed specifically for e-commerce entrepreneurs with a focus on helping you succeed in the dropshipping space. It's equipped with various features to help you find profitable products, analyze market trends, and ultimately grow your business. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, AmzScout offers powerful tools for making informed decisions. One of the standout features of AmzScout is its product research tool. This tool allows you to access a large database of products from Amazon, providing real-time data on product performance, sales volume, and competition levels. By using this tool, you can easily find trending products that are in high demand, making it easier to build your product list with high-potential items. Additionally, AmzScout provides detailed insights into sales trends, profit margins, and keyword opportunities, ensuring you're always ahead of the competition. Another key feature is the product tracker. AmzScout's tracker allows you to monitor specific products in real time, providing updates on pricing changes, sales fluctuations, and inventory status. This helps you stay on top of any market changes, allowing you to adapt your strategy quickly. The tool also integrates with Amazon's marketplace, making it easy to source and import products directly into your dropshipping store. AmzScout is made for entrepreneurs looking to succeed in the dropshipping space by leveraging the power of data. It's ideal for those who want to find profitable products with proven demand and optimize their listings for better sales performance. In terms of strengths, AmzScout offers robust product research and tracking tools, providing valuable data to make informed decisions. However, one downside is that it's specifically focused on Amazon, which may limit some users who are not working within this marketplace. Additionally, its subscription-based pricing model might be a bit steep for those just starting out. In conclusion, AmzScout is a powerful tool for dropshippers focused on Amazon. With its strong product research and tracking features, it's an excellent choice for those looking to make data-driven decisions and scale their business. Be sure to check the description for more information and to get started.